Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing our business and what we can do for motorhome security. So, you've come to this section of our website or you've come across this video because you're worried about your investment. These motorhomes are a lot of money and you want to be securing your asset. So, what we're going to be talking you through about how and why you should be upgrading your motorhome security. So obviously these are large investment for people and what you want to be doing is protecting that. And the best way to do that is packages that we do. So majority of the time, which is actually another one that we did earlier on today on a Citroen Relay motorhome, which is exactly the same system. But basically what it is a Thatcham approved alarm system and it's a Thatcham approved tracker. It's two unbelievable combos allow you to sleep at night with peace of mind that your vehicle is being protected. So we're going to talk you through about the alarm system first. What this is a Thatcham approved 2-to-1 upgrade. Basically it works off your factory key. So we've done this video on the Fiat Ducato based motorhome, mostly because that's the most common motorhome out there. So what we're doing here is using the factory key. When we unlock the vehicle, it disables the alarm. And when we lock the vehicle off the factory key, it arms the alarm. It's very simple, very easy to use. There's no gimmicks. It's just a basic alarm system that does its job and will last its time. So this system is from Cobra and Vodafone Automotive. Vodafone Automotive recently bought out Cobra. It's the same products within there, so it's good quality parts. And basically it's just been taken over by Vodafone, so now you have the massive amount of support that you would be getting as well. So one key thing with all our upgrades on motorhomes is that we can work on your vehicle inside controlled environments. We can fit around about 7 or 8 motorhomes at any one given point into our workshop facilities. So we can work on your vehicle inside, indoors, in controlled environments. That's actually really key because if it was raining one day and you have an installer outside on the side of the road installing products to your vehicle and it's raining, the mindset of that installer is always going to be to rush it, and it would be on ours as well. However, inside controlled environments, you know that it's going to be done professionally, calmly, as well as not rushed. And we take our time with installations because at the end of the day, it's your asset and we've got a reputation to keep up. So if you'd like to see our reputation, best thing to do is check out our Google reviews. We've got quite a few now, and we love the customers' feedback, and even the bad stuff's on there. So you can see all of that and go through I think we've got nearly 150 at the time of this video live on Google as well. So feel free to check those out to see exactly what we're all about. So in terms of the alarm system, you can also turn off the sensors inside the vehicle. So if you're sleeping inside the vehicle, still want to arm the alarm and lock the doors, you still can. Disable the sensors so you're still all safe and protected. Also, we're going to move on now to the tracking system. So this customer's gone for what's called an S5 VTS. Again, it's a Thatcham approved tracking system. What that basically allows this customer to do is set what's called a geofence. Geofence is basically, in layman's terms, is a bubble. In that bubble, you can then set that parameter around a campsite or a business or wherever you want, or even around your home. If that vehicle then leaves that geofence or that bubble, you'll get a push notification on your phone. Also, if your vehicle is started without a little what's called an ADR tag present, you'll get a phone call. So that's really secure method. So if you are at a campsite and you've gone into town and your vehicle is moved and you've got the key and the key fob and you're not driving the vehicle, you'll get a phone call directly to say, are you driving your vehicle? You either respond with yes or no. But we've done 2 other videos under the vehicle security section away from the motorhome section on our website. So if you go to security and then you can click on S5 VTS or S5 VTS Plus, or check out the videos on our YouTube channel, which both have a McLaren in the background of the systems that we've installed into. So you can go through and see exactly what you'd be getting from the systems. You can see the ADR tags and you can see everything in a bit more detail. But this combo is becoming more and more common. Like I mentioned, we just did one earlier today and we just completed this one as well. So we do loads of motorhomes and they're becoming a bigger and larger part of our business, hence why we're doing these videos on it. But we hope we found this video useful for you. And if you're interested in something like this or more details, feel free to pop in, visit us, see what we're all about, see our workshop facilities, or give us a call. We'll drop all our details below so you can check all them out. But thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.